So this is your lettuce. This is washed clean, and they might have a little moisture on it still, but I'm gonna show you now. Ooh, look at these dumplings. Look at them. If you know anything about rotten tongue, there be a cook rundown, you know. This is home. Look at that beauty. Look at it. Colors popping. Sauce is there. Glossiness is there. And look at the color. Look at the color. On today's episode of the Jamaican Cooking Journey, I'll be sharing with you just a little tutorial that you can be useful to you in this holiday season. Lots of people doing a lot of entertaining, all sort of stuff going on. Today I'm going to be focusing on lettuce. You know, most times I realize people, they go overboard in the whole protein, the meat, the cake, everything, but the vegetables are never, you know, then I don't think your vegetable get all the attention they need. So I'm going to be focusing on lettuce. How to cleanse your lettuce, how to keep it, let it be crunchy ahead of time, and even have it for a good time outside of, you know, the holiday season. So I have here this head of lettuce. This is just like this sort of curly. You could do it with any lettuce, iceberg, romaine, whatever the lettuce. So I'm going to be cleansing this off with some salt water. So I'm going to put a little salt. This is okay in my water. You can just get it this off. You can look at your lettuce. Most times these parts, they are dirty. So I'll just pull mine individually. Put them in the water. You don't want to keep them in this salt water for a very long time. You just want to, you know, and see, these are really good. They're nice. They're cute. They're okay. They're not all that spotted. So salt water will soften them, but it also is a cleansing process. So I normally do it like this. It's gonna get it a little soft though, so you don't want to keep it in there. You see, it's a little soft right now, but I'm gonna show you how to bring it back to that nice crunch. So you put it in your colander or whatever you have, and you're gonna leave it to drip off probably 2 minutes. Just let it drip, that salt water. And if it's extra dirty, you might want to just rinse it in pure water again. If when you do it like this, there's too much dirt and stuff at the bottom, you see I have a little, not much. So I will just, you could probably run it under the pipe again, very mild, not too hard of a pipe running. You don't want to get it all broken. So you're gonna leave it there for a little time just to let it get dripped off. So okay, now this has dripped off somewhat, you know. So you want now to prepare a nice ice water bath, really cold. And you want to leave your lettuce leaves in there for about 15 minutes. Make sure they are properly submerged. You want to get that crunch, nice, crisp on your lettuce. So let us leave it, it's properly cleansed. Let us leave it in this strong ice water bath. The leaves, take your time not to let them get all cracked up. Leave it in there for about 15 minutes. Let them get all cold and nice. We'll catch you in the next clip. So we're gonna remove it from our ice bath now, and you're still gonna let it drip a little more. You see them? Firm back again. Yeah, because the whole aim to keep the lettuce all crispy and nice is to have it not stored with water on it. That is the best way, you see. So it's ice cold right here. All the ice has been dissolved. So it's still here, sort of dripping from our colander, but the colander is not enough. So if you have one of these salad spinners, you're gonna use it. If not, I'll tell you the alternative. So we're gonna put, like, depending on how big your salad spinner is, you're gonna put a few leaves in there, and you'll see the excess water that we're gonna get. You're gonna close your salad spinner, and then you're gonna start. So you see these? So the salad spinner has done some work. So you want to lay them out on a clean cotton towel, a clean cotton cloth, whatever. It must be cotton. Don't use the terry, use the cotton. You're going to leave them out to air dry. What I want to show you is the amount of water that is coming, that has come off these. So we're gonna do this with the rest and come back. So this is your lettuce. This is washed clean, and it might have a little moisture on it still, but I'm gonna show you now. So right here I have this. A lot of people use these. They buy them. You can sew yourself one. It's a little special piece of cotton, more like it's cotton. So it will absorb it because it's light. You don't want anything that is too heavy for it to crush the leaves. You notice how delicate they are. So what you can do at this point, you can use your Ziploc too. So you're gonna wrap your lettuce leaves very gently. You can also wrap it in the cotton towel and, you know, put it in your crisp drawer, you know, in that part of the refrigerator, depending on your refrigerator. So you can put it in here. You wrap it in the hand towel, because some people, you know, some people are going to say no hand towel, and you know, so just people are just going to come to say something, and you make sure it's tightly closed. You get all the air out. Yeah, you're gonna, some people have them suction something to your plug it in, so you want to get most of this air, all of this air out. And you know, so it will trap the moisture in there. You want to seal your bag properly, and you just want to have it in your, you know, wherever you keep your lettuce, in your drawer. This can save up to a month if the fridge is working properly. When you open this after a month, you have nice green fresh crunchy lettuce leaves. If you don't want to do that, you can still get a little of this, or as I said before, you could just wrap it in this towel. Once your towel is clean, yeah, let me show you, clean and nice towel, and you just wrap it in this towel, and then you'd proceed to put it in your little cloth, or your little, what's that thing, cotton bag. This will be ready. When you are ready, and you make sure you pull the string to make sure that it's tightly closed. It must be properly closed. Yeah, you can sew this if you want a big one, if you want 2, if you want 3, you know. This was, I didn't sew it. We got, I think my girl bought something, and this is the bag. I washed it and I ironed it and all of that, and I use it for this. This is good. This can hold a good amount. You leave it in your refrigerator. I have used it, and I've been using it for the longest while. Before I had this little bag and I was gonna sew, and I use this. You will have nice green crunchy ready lettuce leaves to serve. So you can do this ahead of time for the holiday season, as opposed to when you're cooking and then when it reaches down to crunch time, you know, the vegetables are the last week or 4. You know, people, all you just run good at the fridge, take it out, wash it out, and so with a bowl of water wet, cut it up, and then it gets saggy. Crunchy lettuce leaves are always good served with your vegetable, other vegetables of choice, whatever way. And you don't have to do it for the holiday season. Once you go to the market, farmer's market, or you go to the store, get your lettuce, try to treat it this way. Spend a little time. It will be easy when you're ready to serve. I hope this video was of some form of, you know, use. Maybe somebody learned something. Maybe you know it already. Or if you have a way that you keep your lettuce fresh and crisp for a long time, share with me in the comment section. JAMMAS day number 10. This is what I have to share with you. Thanks for watching.